Hi everyone, Chef Jon Liddell at the Monogram Design Center, talking chef tips on induction cooking. Number one, what kind of pans do we use on here? Of course, there's different levels of pans. A heavier pan is always going to be the best, whether you're cooking on gas or induction. But here on induction, it can't just be heavy. It also has to have ferrous metals or iron content in it. Anything you can stick a magnet to on the bottom and it holds will work on induction. But remember, because we're pulling the current through the glass, basically through magnet, there's different levels of magnets, stronger and weaker ones. So the more ferrous content in the pan, the cleaner and the easier that pan is going to collect the energy from the generator and create the heat in the pan. So yeah, cast iron works great on here. Nice enamel finish, nice heavy pan. It's going to preheat to about 500 degrees in 45 seconds. You can go with an all-clad. They have different levels of weight. They're all going to work. Again, the heavier you get, the better. They make great stock pots, egg pans. On top of that, after you put the pan on, some people have questions on how does the heat transfer? Am I gonna have to learn how to cook again because high, medium, and low are different? Listen, we've got 19 half steps on here, and all of the recipes that I used to do on gas, I do on induction, still following the high, medium, and low thresholds. And then with the 19 steps and the half steps in between, we can really dial into what we need. I proved to myself time and time again, I have all of the control over the heat in my pan on induction that I have in gas because my results are exactly the same.